So now we're going to gene linkage. American scientist Thomas Hunt Morgan, remember Team Morgan, worked with fruit flies, Drosophila flies, and discovered traits did not always follow Mendel's ratios. Some traits appeared to be inherited together and called these linked traits. The chromosomes, not the genes, assort independently during the what stage? The prophase 1 stage of meiosis. And linkage maps are maps of the relative locations, or loci, of genes of a chromosome. Although linkage maps show the relative locations of linked genes, the maps do not show the actual physical distances. So they just use as markers. Now we're going to create a linkage map for 3 genes, A, B, and C. Easy. So draw a little map. Start with A. A and B are the farthest apart of all the 3. So A and B, and this will be 11. And then we're going to guess, so 4 plus 7 equals 11. B to C is 4, so C's got to be somewhere in the middle. So that's 4, that's 7. I think you guys got that. My linkage map didn't cross over well, so I had to draw a new one. Still going to be the same. Gene A and B cross over what percent of the time? Well, the percentage equals the distance between the map units. So from A to B is 6 plus 4, 10. Gene C and D cross over what percent of the time? 4 plus 3, 7. Gene A and D cross over what percent of the time? So that's 6, 4, 3, 13. They're the farthest away. They cross over more often. Now I'm asking you guys to create your own linkage map based on the following crossover percentages. So the crossover percentages equals the distance between the genes. So 4%. This is kind of like critical thinking. So 4%, that means A and B are close to each other. B and C are kind of far, but A and D are the farthest. So we have to use all of the information. So actually A is going to be here. A and B are close. They're only 4 away. B and C are 12 away. A and D are 13 away. And B and C are 12 away. So we're going to say that's C, and that's 12 units away. A and D are 13 units away. And we know C and D are only 3 units. So I'm guessing D will be in this area. Close to C, far from A, and a little closer to B than A. So somewhere in this area, like I said. So we're going to say it's right here is D. So 3 units away from C, 9 units away, and 4 plus 9 is 13. It matches. So this is going to be your linkage map. A, 4, B, 9, D, C. And then last question, how are linked genes similar to sex-linked genes? We know that linked genes are located on the same chromosome pair, and sex-linked genes are located on the sex chromosome, either X or Y.